Hey guys, I have been praying for rain for a couple of weeks now. I've been doing the rain dance. You don't even understand the rain dance until you have a garden and you're at the mercy of the weather. Um, and so, what I have done in the interim is put out rain buckets to catch rainwater. So, hopefully, I have some reprieve from dry weather. I've been considering getting a well. I haven't pulled the trigger on that yet. I'm kind of frugal, so I'm just trying to make sure it's the right purchase. Um, but anywho, I've been praying for rain for weeks now, and I finally have lots of rain. There is a tropical storm not near us, but we're getting the bands in Florida. Um, and now my yard is waterlogged. I'm not too worried about my garden. I'm most worried about my fruit trees. My mangoes, my Atemoya, and my bananas are underwater. And the rain does not seem to be stopping anytime soon. Um, I feel like we're forecasted for rain every day this week, and I really don't know what to do. So please pray for my fruit trees and my garden that we survive this week, and I'll keep you guys posted.